Stop me if this sounds familiar. You're standing in your bathroom, looking at 6 different products lined up on your counter. Serum,
cream, oil,
SPF, retinol, maybe a toner. And you have absolutely no idea what order they go in. So you just slap them all on, one after the other, hoping something sticks, hoping something works. But here's what's actually happening. That expensive vitamin C serum you bought? It's sitting on top of your moisturizer doing absolutely nothing. That retinol? You're applying it over SPF in the morning, which makes it completely useless. That hyaluronic acid? You're putting it on bone-dry skin, and it's actually dehydrating you. You're not failing. Your products aren't bad. You're just layering them wrong. And at 50 plus, wrong layering doesn't just waste money. It can actually make your skin worse. Because mature skin is finicky. It's thinner, more sensitive, less forgiving. The same layering routine that worked at 30 will wreck your skin at 50. Today, I'm giving you the exact order, the exact timing, the exact method to layer skincare when you're over 50. So every product you own actually works. If you've got a bathroom full of half-used products that aren't doing anything, subscribe right now because I'm about to fix your entire routine in the next 10 minutes. Why layering matters more after 50. When you were younger, your skin could handle anything. You could slap on products in any order and still wake up glowing. Your skin barrier was strong. Your cell turnover was fast. Your skin forgave mistakes. Not anymore. After 50, several things have changed. Your skin barrier is weaker. It's more permeable, which means products penetrate faster, but irritants do too. Your cell turnover has slowed to a crawl. What used to take 28 days now takes 45 to 60 days. You produce less oil. Your skin is drier, which means it needs more hydration but can't hold on to it as well. Your skin is thinner. It's more reactive to active ingredients. What used to give you a glow now gives you irritation. So, layering isn't just about efficiency. It's about protection. You need to layer strategically so actives penetrate without overwhelming your skin. So hydration actually stays in. So your barrier gets stronger, not weaker. Get the order wrong, and you're either wasting products or damaging your skin. Get it right, and you'll see changes in weeks. Let's get it right. The golden rules of layering after 50. Before we get into specific products, you need to understand 3 non-negotiable rules. Rule 1. Thinnest to thickest. This is the foundation. Products go on from thinnest consistency to thickest. Water-based products first. Oil-based products last.
Why?
Because thick products create a barrier that thinner products can't penetrate. If you put your heavy cream on first, your serum just sits on top doing nothing. Rule number 2. Water before actives. This is the one nobody talks about. Never apply active ingredients, retinol, vitamin C, acids, to completely dry skin. Your skin should be slightly damp. Not wet. Not dry.
Damp. Why?
Damp skin absorbs products better and more evenly. Dry skin causes actives to penetrate unevenly, creating irritation in some spots and doing nothing in others. Rule number 3. Wait between steps, but not too long. You don't need to wait 10 minutes between every product, but you do need to wait between certain steps. Actives need 60 to 90 seconds to absorb before you layer something on top. Sunscreen needs to sit on skin undisturbed for at least 15 minutes before makeup. Rushing creates pilling, reduces effectiveness, and wastes product. Now, let's build your actual routine. Morning routine. The right order. Your morning routine has one goal: protect. Protect from sun damage. Protect from environmental stress. Protect from dehydration. Here's the exact order. Step 1. Cleanser. Use a gentle, creamy cleanser, not foaming. Foaming cleansers strip oil, and you don't have oil to spare anymore. Massage for 30 seconds. Rinse with lukewarm water. Pat your face partially dry with a clean towel. Leave it slightly damp. This is critical for the next step. Step 2. Toner or essence, optional but helpful. If you use a hydrating toner or essence, now's the time. While your face is still damp from cleansing. Toners add a layer of hydration and prep skin for serums. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or centella. Press it into your skin with your palms. Don't rub.
Press.
Step 3. Antioxidant serum, vitamin C. This is your defense against environmental damage. Vitamin C neutralizes free radicals from UV and pollution. It also brightens and stimulates collagen. Apply 3 to 4 drops to your entire face and neck. Press it in gently. Wait 60 to 90 seconds before the next step. This wait time matters. Vitamin C needs a slightly acidic pH to work. If you immediately layer something alkaline on top, you deactivate it. Step 4. Eye cream. Yes, before moisturizer. Eye cream goes on thin skin first. Use your ring finger, it has the lightest touch. Gently pat around the orbital bone. Don't rub. Don't pull.
Pat.
Step 5. Hydrating serum, hyaluronic acid. If you use a separate hyaluronic acid serum, apply it now. On damp skin. This is critical. Hyaluronic acid pulls moisture from the environment into your skin. If your skin is dry, and the air is dry, it pulls moisture from deeper layers of your skin. That dehydrates you. Always apply it to damp skin or in a humid environment. Step 6. Moisturizer. This seals everything in. Choose a moisturizer appropriate for your skin type. If you're dry, rich cream with ceramides and fatty acids. If you're normal to combo, lightweight lotion. Apply to your face, neck, and chest. Upward motions. Always upward. Step 7. Facial oil, if needed. If your skin is very dry, add 2 to 3 drops of facial oil on top of moisturizer. Not instead of. On top of. The oil creates an occlusive layer that locks in everything underneath. Step 8. Sunscreen, non-negotiable. This is the most important step. Broad spectrum SPF 30 minimum. SPF 50 is better. Apply a nickel-sized amount for your face. Another nickel-sized amount for your neck. Wait 15 minutes before makeup. This lets the sunscreen form a proper film on your skin. If you apply makeup immediately, you dilute the SPF. Total time, 8 to 10 minutes if you're waiting appropriately between steps. Evening routine, the right order. Your evening routine has a different goal. Repair. Repair sun damage. Repair cellular damage. Stimulate renewal. Here's the exact order. Step 1. Double cleanse. First cleanse, oil cleanser or micellar water to remove makeup and sunscreen. These are oil-soluble, so they dissolve SPF and makeup that water can't touch. Massage for 60 seconds. Rinse. Second cleanse, gentle cream or gel cleanser to remove remaining residue. Massage for 30 seconds. Rinse with lukewarm water.
Pat partially dry.
Leave skin damp. Step 2. Treatment toner if using acids. If you use an exfoliating toner with AHAs or BHAs, apply it now. On damp skin. This goes before serums because it's a pH-dependent treatment. But here's the key for mature skin. Only use acids 2 to 3 times per week. Not every night. Your skin is thinner and more sensitive. Over-exfoliating will damage your barrier. If you're using retinol tonight, skip the acid toner. Don't layer both. Step 3. Treatment serum, retinol or retinol. This is your powerhouse anti-aging ingredient. It stimulates collagen. It speeds cell turnover. It fades pigmentation. But it needs to be applied correctly. Make sure your face is completely dry now. Not damp.
Dry.
Wait 5 minutes after cleansing if needed.
Why?
Because damp skin increases retinol penetration too much, which causes irritation. Apply a pea-sized amount to your entire face. Avoid eyes, nostrils, mouth corners. Wait 60 to 90 seconds. Step 4. Hydrating serum. Now rehydrate. Apply your hyaluronic acid or peptide serum. This replenishes moisture after the retinol. Step 5. Eye cream. Nighttime eye cream can be richer than your morning one. Look for ingredients like peptides, ceramides, retinol. Pat gently around eyes. Step 6. Night cream or sleeping mask. This should be your richest moisturizer. Night creams are typically heavier because you don't need to worry about makeup sitting on top. Look for ingredients like ceramides, repair barrier, niacinamide, brighten and strengthen, Peptides stimulate collagen overnight. Apply generously to face, neck, chest. Step 7. Facial oil or occlusive optional. If you're very dry or it's winter, seal everything with oil. Or use an occlusive like Aquaphor or CeraVe healing ointment on dry patches. This traps all the actives and hydration underneath while you sleep. Total time, 10 to 12 minutes with appropriate wait times. The mistakes you're probably making. Let me call out the most common layering mistakes I see. Mistake 1. Applying retinol over moisturizer. You think you're buffering it to reduce irritation, but you're just making it useless. Retinol needs direct skin contact to penetrate. If you want a buffer, mix a tiny bit of moisturizer with the retinol in your palm, then apply. Don't layer moisturizer first. Mistake 2. Using hyaluronic acid on dry skin. I've said this twice already because it's that important. HA on dry skin in dry air equals dehydration. Always apply to damp skin. Mistake 3. Layering too many actives. Vitamin C in the morning. Retinol at night. That's it. You don't need glycolic acid and retinol and vitamin C and niacinamide all in one routine. You'll wreck your barrier. Choose 2 actives max and stick with them. Mistake 4. Not waiting for sunscreen to set. If you apply makeup immediately after SPF, you're diluting it and destroying the protection. Wait 15 minutes. Set a timer if you have to. Mistake 5. Skipping neck and chest. Everything you put on your face should go on your neck and chest. They age just as fast. Don't forget them. Mistake number 6. Changing products every week. Skincare takes 8 to 12 weeks to show results. If you're switching products every 2 weeks because you don't see instant change, you'll never see change. Pick a routine. Stick with it for 12 weeks. Then assess. Special layering situations. When you're using prescription retinoids, apply to completely dry skin. Wait 20 minutes after cleansing. Don't layer anything underneath. Moisturizer goes on top, 10 minutes after retinoid. When you're dealing with irritation, strip back to basics. Cleanser, hydrating serum, moisturizer, SPF. That's it. No actives until your barrier heals. Takes 1 to 2 weeks usually. When you're traveling.
Simplify.
Morning, cleanser, vitamin C, moisturizer, SPF. Night, cleanser, retinol, moisturizer. That's all you need. When you add a new product, add only 1 new product at a time. Use it for 2 weeks before adding another. That way if you react, you know what caused it. The products you actually need. You don't need 47 products. You need these. Morning, gentle cleanser, vitamin C serum, eye cream, moisturizer, SPF 50. Evening, oil cleanser, gentle cleanser, retinol or retinol hydrating serum, eye cream, night cream. Optional but helpful. Hydrating toner, facial oil, exfoliating acid, 2x/week. That's it. 9 to 12 products total. Not 30. Quality over quantity. Layering skincare after 50 isn't complicated, but it is specific. Thinnest to thickest. Actives on dry skin, except vitamin C.
Hydrators on damp skin.
Wait between steps. Protect in the morning. Repair at night. Do this consistently for 12 weeks, and your skin will transform. Not because you bought expensive products, because you're finally using them correctly. Here's what I need you to do right now. First, hit that like button if this finally made layering make sense. Second, subscribe and turn on notifications because we're dropping strategic skincare content every single week that actually helps you get results. Third, screenshot this routine. Save it. Put it on your bathroom mirror. Because this is your new routine starting tonight. Fourth, drop a comment below and tell me, what product have you been layering wrong this whole time? Don't worry, we've all done it. And fifth, share this with every woman over 50 who owns way too many products that aren't working.
She needs this.
Your skincare routine shouldn't be a guessing game. It should be strategic, intentional, effective. Now you know how. Go fix that bathroom counter. And I'll see you in the next video.